Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Guess what? Today is December the 26th, 2020, and we are going to update you all on XRP, give you all an idea of what the trap is going to do next for this particular cryptocurrency. But if this is your first time watching our video, you guys appreciate our videos and our content of giving you all a heads up as to where the market is likely to go. Make sure you hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Also want to plug each and every one of you in on our live streaming that we are going to begin January 2021. It's going to be one of our membership perks. We want to give everyone the opportunity to predict the market right alongside with us in real time. So if that is interesting to you, make sure, look forward to that. January 2021 is when we're going to release that particular perk here on YouTube. So now let's get started in the market for XRP. As you all can see that the weakness in XRP continues. The market is still showing us a lot of weakness. Since our video right here on the 23rd, you guys can tell that the market tried to break price above our ascending line, and each time it was rejected. So that lets us know already that the premise of this particular market in XRP is still weak. And we're going to follow that same particular type of notion until something changes, i.e. the market breaks above that ascending line. So looking at the performance of what the trap has done since our last video, we ultimately got that TP out the next day. A lot of volatility, a lot of spreads were still in the market following our video. So it didn't take long for the trap to come in and tag out at our ultimate TP price of about 25 cents. Literally, it came through the next day. It transitioned over from the same day of when we did our video going into the 24th, to which the trap came and closed the market down here towards our ultimate TP area. So at least 25-26% could have been taken out the market, grab the bag from the trap and place it right back into our own accounts. So that is there. Let's go ahead and get rid of it now since it is over, and let's speak. Let's talk about the market right now in XRP. Okay, anything changed? That's the question that you need to ask yourself. Nothing for the most part has changed. We only get more confirmation that the trap is still trending weak in the market based off what occurred on the 24th and on the 25th, of which he tried to break price above our ascending line and he fell. It didn't happen. So we are still following under that same particular type of notion. But the only thing we really need to address on this particular video for XRP is, okay, are we going to continue to go lower, or are we just going to simply trade within a trading range? So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to alleviate this ascending line. We already got the confirmation that the market is not strong, so we really don't need to keep it there. What we're going to do, we are going to place XRP into a trading channel now, okay? So we're going to continue to follow this market in XRP trading within this trading channel. So we have right around 34.5 cents as the area of restriction in the market for XRP. Okay. So we're going to continue to follow that area as restriction, and we won't get any bullishness into the market until we actually see him break price above 35 cents now. Okay. Well, let me take it around 33.5. Okay. So now you might even see some people here on YouTube try to give you all how the market in XRP is still trending the overall trend. You guys can see that right there. So the market originally was in this trend here, like we broke out of the massive trend that we were in right there. And now it came back and nested in the overall ascending line in XRP. So we broke this original ascending line trend right here. Let me zoom in and show you. We broke this trend, right? And now you guys can see that the trap came in and nested the price of XRP right here on this overall ascending trend. Like, this is the long-term trend right here on the bottom of the screen. This is it. The market breaks this ascending line to the downside, is all over for XRP. Literally, you would expect this currency not to come back up to those astronomical prices that so many people here on YouTube are speaking on. That is not going to happen if this market breaks this ascending line. So we got a heads up now. The market came and tested it and it didn't break. So we have a little bit more time to allow this market in XRP to consolidate at least and try to reclaim higher price at a later date. I'm not saying that the market in XRP is a buy right now. We have too much area, too much of a space to go higher before we start that bullishness talk once again in XRP. Okay, so we're going to hold these two lines here. This is the area of contention between the trap and everyone else. He's going to play the market on these two lines right in this gap, so expect that. So now the question is, we are under the premise that the market is still weak in XRP, so we're going to continue to follow that. Okay, we're not going to go with any expectation of bullishness until we see this market break above 33.5, 35 cents, and even if that's the case, it will still have to come up and break above 40 cents. It's too much uncertainty into the market regarding Ripple and its uses of XRP and how they were able to sell it into the market to individuals and use it to pay for their business expenses. So this video, we're going to continue to play the short end of the forecast. Okay, so now obviously you can see here that we would TP the market right there around 28 cents. Okay, that would be the initial TP area, which is about 7%, which is great to take that out the market. But I'm going to bring it all the way down here to the overall long-term support area of about 25 cents once again. Okay, and that's it. It's not easy. I mean, it's not hard. It's not complicated to understand this. Everyone else in the space tries to make it complicated for you to see, try to make it seem as if they have some magic keys to the kingdom, and it doesn't require all of that. Everyone is supposed to have the ability to read the market, and that's what we've been delivering here for you all for about 3 years now. So now it's your turn. What are your thoughts? What is your premise? What do you see in the market in XRP in the next 3 days? Because that's when we'll come back in and update you all on what has occurred in the market for XRP. What are you seeing here in this market? This is our thoughts, our opinion. Now it's your turn. Tell us what you see. Give us your TP price. Where do you think price is going to be in the next 3 days? Because either way it go, the only way that you can profit in the market is to get ahead of the trap. We cannot speak on the historical events that has already occurred. We need to look forward and expect him to be somewhere, and we need to beat him there. That's it. So tell us, leave us a comment in the comment section, and that's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability. Go and trade different.